2022 Chevrolet 1500 LT double cab 4x4 with 47,000 miles. Hi everyone, it's Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. I am back with another uncut, unfiltered, unedited, off the cuff. What you see is what you get vehicle video. We believe in transparency around here. Again, one owner. It has been third-party inspected. It has 47,000 miles on it, so it's got the balance of factory warranty. Speaking of warranty, you can upgrade that very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. Please get pre-approved. Then you don't have to be here all day. We run into the couple banks that we work with. They say yes, no, maybe, whatever. Not them, you. If you like the terms, you say yes. It takes 15, 20 minutes. The paperwork's wrote up. You're out the door. We don't keep you all day. We're not like the big dealerships. We don't play the Foursquare. We don't play the payment game. We lay it out you, hey, the bank gave you 6.4%. That's what it is. We're not grabbing any points on it. This is the payment. You like it? Great. You want to leave with it? Again, 15, 20 minutes. We're not playing games. We're not here to keep you all day. We're nice guys, but you don't want to be here all day. We understand. Back to the truck. It does have cloth and remote start and the big screen and the power seat. Seating for 6. That pops up for a jumper seat there. Four-wheel drive on the shift. Heated cloth. Yeah, heated cloth. Love that. Again, it's got the huge touchscreen. That's bigger than my first TV, I think. It's just a double cab again, which is nice. Takes up less room in the garage. 6.5 foot box for you working guys. Tow pack. 5.3 V8. 4x4, I think we covered all that. It's been a long week, I tell you. Now, I know I'm not going to have the lowest price around. Why? Because I have real prices. I have the price you see is the price you pay, drive away. This business is so competitive. We all advertise in the same places. We want to have the lowest price. We know you're shopping. So how do you have the lowest advertised price? You mark it at your cost, below your cost, and then they hit the customer with surprise fees. We don't have surprise fees. You want to know what you want to pay for the vehicle? The price you see is the price you pay, drive away. You need a grand total, you can call us. We can figure it out with sales tax, title, that kind of thing real easy. That varies from place to place. We do have a dock fee. It's $145. We're going to waive that if you say, hey, I heard in the video that you waive that. So, yeah, price you see is price you pay. None of the garbage, none of the hidden fees. I hate that the industry's going that way. I really do. I don't pay my salespeople on profits. I pay them on getting the vehicle sold. If whatever they sell you the vehicle for, their paycheck stays the same. A lot of dealerships pay on profit. It's a horrible thing to do to people. So let's recap. 2022, 47,000 miles. One owner, inspected. Factory warranty, upgradable warranty, price you see is the price you pay, drive away, no hidden fees, fast paperwork, fast financing, salespeople aren't paid on profits. I call that the Autorama advantage. You got to come and experience. It's unlike buying a car anywhere else.